Good evening, students. Welcome in next lecture of Math F212 optimization. Presently, we are studying genetic algorithm. So, in last class, we have completed the algorithm part. Now, let us have some question. So, let us have this question. Consider the minimization of the following unconstrained optimization problem with two variable to solve using genetic algorithm. Minimization of f of x1 comma x2 is equal to x1 minus x2 whole square plus x1 x2. Here the range of x1 is 1 and 5 and a range for x2 is 0 and 5. Following binary variables are members of the initial population. So we have given you what the population you have to consider using the 3-digit random number. Here we are providing the uh, random numbers of 3 digits, right? So when we are saying that 3 digits, it is the 056, not 56. 918139721 in sequence linear mapping rule and Rolth will selection obtain the mating pool in the binary code in the following table. Do not so here you have to write the table in this form. So in this case, your problem is of minimization. So from here, the fitness function we have to take as a 1 upon 1 plus fx1, fx2, right? So here, let us start. So it is given to you. We have the total 5 population. So we have given you here the number. So for the x1, it is given to you 1001, 1101, right? 1010, 1111, 1000. So in the sequence, we have taken for the x1, then for the x2, we have written here. So from here, the decoded value. What is the decoded value? So in this, we have to multiply with the 2 to power 0, 2 to power 1, 2 to power 2, and 2 to power 3. So that is the 8, 8 and 1. 8 and 1. So here we have the 9. Similarly, we can write 2 to power 0, 2 to power 1, 2 to power 2, and 2 to power 3. So only 8. So here 8 will come. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Chirag?
Yes, sir.
Then after we have to take the x1. So x1 is what is the formula of x1? x1 lower plus x1 upper minus x1 lower upon 2 to power li minus 1 into decoded value. So for the x1 range is given to you as a 0. uh, nahi, for the x1 range is given to you as a 1, right? So here it will become 1 plus 1 plus 5 minus 1 upon 2 to power l is the 4, right? String length is the 4. So 2 to power 4 minus 1 into 9, the decoded value. So that will come 4 upon 15, 4 upon 15 into 9, right? So that will give you 1 plus 4 upon 15 into 9. So that is the 3, that is the 5, and 12 upon 5. 12 upon 5, that is the uh, I think it is coming the 3.4, na? So I think in solution we have some mistake. So in this case, we have the either both as a 0 comma 5. So it will be the 2 point means whatever the x1 that you have to compute. So 1 plus 5 minus 1 upon I think we have the answer 5 minus 0. 5 minus 0, 5 minus 0 भी नहीं हो रहा है. It should be the 3.4 I think. जरा एक बार चेक करना चला.
Yes, sir. According to this value, it should be 3.4.
3.4 no, is something. It is and acha, you check for the next one. Decoded value for this is the 1 4 8, so 12 13, and 13 1 plus 5 minus 1 upon 15 into 13, so it is
It should
the
be 4.467.
so I think plus 1 is missing. Everywhere plus 1 is missing. Only the main thing to convey that in general we make this mistake, right? We assume that both are of the same limit, so it may be x1 and x2 are of different limit. So when we put the value of the x1 x2, I think now the whole calculation with the wrong value. So just you assume that it is the 3.4. So after putting the value of the x1 x2, here we have the fx as a 6.4711. So in this case, fx will become 1 up, right, 1 upon 1 plus f. So that we compute as a fitness value. So after having the fitness value, we compute the probability, right? So expected, what is the expected count? Expected count is the f upon f bar, f upon f bar. So in this case, the f bar is the 0.0776, and summation of f is the 0.3528. Actually it is very small, so for that I have taken in the two slides. So this is the 3528, right? So now here we compute the expected count. So expected count is what? It is the f upon f bar. So here it is coming the expected count. Now we compute the probability. What is the probability? Probability is the f upon summation of f. So here we are getting the probability, means 0.0943 upon 1.3363 upon 0.3528, right? So 0.0943, this value is what? 0.0943 upon 0.3528. So that will come 0.2673. So when it is the now we compute the cumulative probability. Cumulative probability means first value as it is, second value sum of this, sum of this, sum of this, and sum of this. So automatically last should come 1. So here it is given to you, we will use the 3-digit random number. So here we round off. In the cumulative distribution we round off round off for the 3-digit. So 0.267. So due to the 0.267, range will be the 0002 266. Then range is the 267 to 415 only, means from left side it should be the closed, from the right side it should be the open. So due to the open, right, open of the 267, we have to consider the 266 as a close, right? Now it is given to you, you have to use the random number, you have to use the random number 525 719 056 918 139 721 in sequence. never we have to skip any random number, right? Never we can skip the random number. So it is the 525 719 056 918 139. So 525 lie in this interval, so string 3. 719 lie in this interval, so string 4. 056 in this interval, string 1. Then 918 in this, string 5. Then 139 in this, so string 1. String 1. So you can see string 1 is coming 2 times, string 2 is coming 0 times, string 3 is coming 1 time, string 4 is coming 1 time, string 5 is coming 1 time. So whatever the string 2, whatever the string 2, so here whatever the string 2, that string 2 we have written here. Clear? Whatever the string string 3, not string 2, string 3, string 3 that we have written here. Then whatever the string 4, whatever the string 4 that we have written here. Then whatever the string 1, right? String 1 that we have written here and here. Then string 5, this string that we have written at this place. So in this way we can compute the mating pool. So in deciding the mating pool, any problem?
No, sir.
Let us have another question. Find the value of x which minimize function fx is equal to 6 minus 6x plus 2x square plus 4x cube. Range of the x is 0 to 2. Why applying genetic algorithm, use 5-bit code to represent the solution. Consider the population of 4 individual. Population size is 4 individual, right? And 5-bit we are taking. So it is the 11000, right? 11000, 01101, 11011, 10011. Use single point crossover with probability PC is given to you 0.84, and mutation, bitwise mutation you have to use, and with probability PM is equal to 0.05. So you have to make the table in this form. Random number for selection of mating pool are 0.612, 0.441, 713, 0.923. It means here we have to use the 3-digit random number, right? 3-digit calculation we have to take. Here also random number for the crossover. Here also we have to take the 3-digit random number for the crossover. So it is the 1-digit random number. 1-digit random number 4 and 2. Random number for the mutation. Here we are taking the 2-digit random number. 2-digit random number. Clear? Also find the expected probability of mutation of an individual and the average fitness function value of the next generation. So you have to find the average fitness value for the next generation. Question is clear? So this is the first of all, it is a single variable problem. So here we have taken the four strings, number of 4. It is given to you. They are the 5 digits binary code. Here we have taken the 5-digit binary code. Now the decoded value means here first one is the 2 to power 0, 2 to power 1, 2 to power 2, 2 to power 3, 2 to power 4. So with that it is coming 24, 13, 27, 19. Then xi is given to you as a limit for this is the 0 to 2. So xi will become 0 plus 2 minus 0, 2 to power 5 minus 1 into decoded value, means 2 upon 31, 2 upon 31 into decoded value. So it will come 1.548, 0.839, 1.742, 1.226. Now, when we put the value of the x in the given function f, so here we have the value of the small f 16.354, 4.735, 22.760, 9.018. Then, since the question is of minimization, so f we compute as a 1 upon 1 plus f. So that will come 0.058, 0.174, 0.042, 0.100. Then we compute the expected count. Expected count. Expected count. So it is the fi upon. They have computed the, no, it is not expected count. They have computed the probability. So probability, not expected count. Here in the table they have given the probability only. So probability. So probability is what? It is the f upon summation of f. Summation of f. So it is coming because by Excel it is computed. So we have the long digits. Then after we have to compute the cumulative probability. Cumulative probability means first we have to write as it is, then the sum of this, sum of this, and sum of this. Automatically last should be 1. Now we have to use the 3-digit random number. So the first one is the 0.54, right? Second one you can say it is the 0.620. Then third one will be the 733, and then 1. It means range will become 0002, 153, 1542, 619, and here 6202, 732, and 7332, 999. That will come. So now random number is given to you. Random number for the string are given to you 612441, right? 713 923. So here when we check 612, so 612 will lie, 612 will lie in this. So string 2, then 441, 441 lie again in the string 2, 2 2. And then we have 713, 713 also, 713 also in the third. And here we have 713, then after 923. So 923 in the string 4, in the string 4. So here we have the 2234. String number is 2234. So you can see string, there is no string 1 0 count. It is the actual count. It is actual count. So don't go with the abcdef, right? So here we have the actual count for the string 1 is 0. Actual count for the string 2 is 2, is for the string 3 1, for the string 4 1. Now, so what is the string 2? String 2 is the 01101. So we have written the 01101, right? Then string 3, string 4, we have the 11011 and 10011. Now here, so here we have decided the mating pool. After the mating pool, we have to go with the crossover. So for the crossover, we take the pair. Convention is we take the pair from starting. So here, cross here the crossover probability is given to you as a PC is equal to, PC is given to you 0.084, and random number for the crossover is again the 3 digits. So it means if the number lie between 00 to 839, so crossover is yes. If number lie between the 8402 999, then the crossover is no. So here the crossover, for the crossover random numbers are given to you 729, 917, 560, 817. It is not necessary always you have to use all. So for the first pair we have used the 729. For the second pair we have the 917. 917 and 560, 817 are the redundant random number, need not to use. They are the redundant random number, need not to use. Just for making the making ambiguous, right? We have given the four random numbers, but you have to use only the two, right? For the two pairs, for the two pairs. So numbers are numbers are 7 to 9. So 7 to 9 lie in this, so it is yes. First pair is yes, second pair is no. So
So, sir, we have
here
to
we have
use
the
the first two given numbers.
first two numbers, first two in the mating pool,
Okay, okay, sir.
first two in the mating pool. For that we have used the 7 to 9, 7 to 9 for both. So answer is yes, they will cross over. For the second pair, 917 lie outside the 840. So its answer is the no.
Okay, sir.
Now
Okay.
for the yes only we have to use the crossover site. So crossover site, it is given to you as a 4. Random number is given to you 4. Always you have to use the random number from starting. So random number 4 you have used, it means crossover site is equal to, crossover site is the 4 for this yes, for the no as it is. So when the crossover site is yes, means 4, at that time, at that time we have to exchange the, we have to exchange the information after the fourth crossover site. So coincidentally both are one, both are one. So the same will come, same will come, and this population will come as it is, this population will come as it is. Here after the, here after the crossover it is coming, right? And here direct, because the crossover is not allowed, so directly population will come. So that is the intermediate population. After means here we have done, here we here we have done the crossover. Before this, before this we have done the reproduction. Then after, it is given to you mutation probability is 0.05. So if the mutation probability is 0.05, pm is given to you as a 0.05. So 00 to 04 mutation yes, and 05 to 99 mutation is no. So clear this part. So here now we have to check whether for this we have to do the mutation or not, right? One by one we have to check. So for that the random numbers are given to you as this one: 95 no, 04 yes, no, 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 yes, no, 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 yes, no, and no. So here, so wherever we have the yes, right, second bit, right, this number bit and this number bit we have to change. So in this case you can see the second bit we are changing. So second bit from actual this number is what? 0 1 1 0 1. So I'm saying that second bit will change. So it is the 00101. That is the 00101. Then after Then after we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ninth one. So ninth one means in the second one, right? 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. So this is the sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. So this ninth will change into 1. So next number will become 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. So here the second string will be the 0, 1, 1, 1. Then after the ninth one, we have the 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Third, there is no change in the 15. Then 16, 17, 18. So for the 18, means this one. So 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. So it is the right. So it is the 16, 16, 17, 18. So that will change. So 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. So here we have the 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. So again we have to compute the its decoded value. So decoded value is what? Just we have to multiply with the 2 to power 0, 2 to power 1, 2 to power 2, 2 to power 3. And from there we compute the xi. Xi is what? 0 plus 2 minus 0 upon 2 to power 5 minus 1 into decoded value. So from here we compute the small f, and from the small f we compute the capital F. We compute the capital F as a 1 upon 1 plus f. So expected probability of the mutation, expected value of the mutation will be the total mutation probability is 0.05, and it is the string length is the 5. So into 5, and total we have the 4 population. So into 4 also we can do. For the individual, if it is asked, then need not to multiply with the 4. If for the population it is asked, then you have to multiply by the 4. The average fitness value for the next generation will be the, means if you compute the summation of this f divided by the 4, divide by 4, so it will come 0.1102. So earlier it was कहीं निकाला था हमने, we have not written it. It will come from here, right? It will come from here, but we have not computed. So that is the question. So any problem in selection, crossover, and mutation?
Sir, can you explain that part where you said we will multiply by 4 and where will we not?
Actually, it is question in the question. We have asked expected probability of mutation of an individual. Then it is the PM into string length. String length. That is the LI. If it is asked population, means for the whole, then it is the PM into Li into number of strings, that is the into 4 also.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
For one individual we have the mutation probability is 0.25 expected count, means out of the 5, 5 into 1.25 will means 0.25 will change, 0.25 will change.
Okay.
Any other doubt?
No, sir.
In this way we do the. So in next class I will I will take more question from the various topics. So course is over.
Okay, sir.
Right, so from my side course is over. Now I will try to cover the good question from the previous year papers. So I think on Monday and Tuesday it's enough. We can leave the Wednesday and Thursday class.
Yes, sir.
I think Monday and Tuesday is enough.
For practice questions.
For the practice question.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, 2 class or more. So, but course is over now. ठीक है ना?
Okay, sir.
Now you can also bring your doubt.
Yes, sir. I will revise this topic once.
You revise and you can also bring your
Okay.
doubts.
Thank you, sir.
Best of luck. Best of luck
Thank
for
you.
tomorrow quiz as well as for Compre.
Thank you, sir.